Good morning to all my dear students. Student, I hope you all have completed your yesterday work, right? Okay. Now today we are going to start with history. Chapter number 5, the foundation of the Swaraj. Finally, we are going to learn in this chapter about the Shivaji Maharaj, how he fight for the establishment of Swaraj. In the previous chapter in history student, in chapter number 4, I have explained you that Shahaji Maharaj was dreaming of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra. Am I right? So, in this chapter, we are going to see the struggle of Shivaji Maharaj and his father Shahaji Maharaj for the establishment of Swaraj. Let's see the points to remember what we are going to learn in first part. So, today we are going to learn, first we'll see the introduction, second Shahaji Maharaj, Veermata Jijabai, companion and associates of Shivaji Maharaj, and last we are going to see the royal seal or Raj Mudra. Okay student, so let's start with the introduction first. In the first half of the 17th century, student, in this chapter we are going to see what happened in first half of the 17th century. Okay, so in the first half of our 17th century, an epoch making personality, means a great personality, emerged in Maharashtra. Can you know who's that personality? Yes, he is none other than Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So he entered into Maharashtra in first half of the 17th century. When he came to Maharashtra, he established the Swaraj in Maharashtra by giving challenge to unjust ruling powers. Unjust means unfair. Okay, ruling powers in Maharashtra. Shivaji Maharaj was born at the Shivneri fort near Junnar in Pune district on the day of Falgun Vaidya Tritiya in the Shaka year 1551. Means according to the English calendar, Shivaji Maharaj was born on 19th February 1630. Underline this date student, it is very important. This might become for your fill in the blanks or one line answer. So when Shivaji Maharaj born, he was born on 19th February 1630. In this chapter, we will study how Shivaji Maharaj founded Swaraj. Okay student, so now first let's see about the Shahaji Raje. Who is Shahaji Raje student? Yes, he is the father of Shivaji Maharaj. Remember this student, okay? Shahaji Maharaj was a preeminent Sardar in the Deccan. When he was in Deccan student, the Mughals had launched a campaign to conquer the Nizam Shahi kingdom. Campaign means movement and conquer means curve. In chapter number 2 and chapter number 4 student, we have learned, right, before Shivaji Maharaj came to Maharashtra, Mughals were ruling, right? So Mughals were launched a movement against whom? Against Nizam Shahi kingdom. The Adil Shah of Bijapur allied with the Mughals in his campaign. See student, Mughals के साथ में कौन था? Adil Shah of Bijapur. He involved with the Mughals. Shahaji Maharaj did not wish the Mughals to get an entry into the south. When Shahaji Maharaj student knew that the Adil Shah and the Nizam, Adil Shah and the Mughals both are launching a campaign against Nizam Shahi, so he did not want both of them to enter into Maharashtra. So let's see what he did. So he tried to save Nizam Shahi by offering stiff resistance to the Mughals. See student, what Shahaji Maharaj did, he has gave a stiff resistance, means a tough competition. He was opposed to Mughals, na? So he gave a tough competition to the Mughals. On the other hand, we can say Shahaji Maharaj wanted to save the Nizam Shah from the Mughals. But student, what happened? He could not withstand the combined might of the Mughals and the Adil Shahi. See student, Mughals and Adil Shah both are together, okay, and Nizam Shah he was alone. So he could not withstand. Withstand means वो उनका सामना नहीं कर पाए. And student, the Nizam Shahi was defeated. Defeated means unsuccessful in that fight, and Nizam Shahi came to an end in 1636 CE. Understood? Remember this date also student. In history it is very important to remember the date. Okay, so in 1636 CE what happened? The Nizam Shahi kingdom came to an end. Okay. After the Nizam Shahi was wiped out, means अब निज़ाम शाही पूरी ख़त्म हो चुकी थी. Now Shahaji Raje become a Sardar of the Adil Shah of Bijapur. Now see student, Shahaji Raje he was working as a Sardar under the Adil Shahi of Bijapur. वो उनके पास में सरदार की पोस्ट पे क्या काम करने लगे एज अ सरदार. द रीजन comprising of Pune, Supe, Indapur and Chakar Paragana located between the Bhima and the Neva river was vested in Shahaji Raje as a Jagir. See, when Shahaji Raje was working as a Sardar under the Adil Shah was very happy with his work, and so as a Jagir he has given this region to Shahaji Raje. What is Jagir student? Jagir means right to enjoy the revenue of a region. जो हमारा पर्टिकुलर लैंड हमको मिला हुआ है उसके ऊपर जो भी रेवेन्यू है, जो भी टैक्स होगा, यू कैन एंजॉय दैट पर्टिकुलर राइट, उसको बोलते हैं जागीर. ओके, नाउ not only Pune, Supe, Indapur and Chakan was given to Shahaji Raje, but he also granted the Jagir of Bangalore and the neighboring area in Karnataka to Shahaji Raje. See student, this all region was given to Shahaji Raje. By whom? By Adil Shah, because he was very happy with the work of Shahaji Maharaj. So he granted this region to Shahaji Raje. Now let's see more about Shahaji Maharaj. Shahaji Raje was a valiant, means bahadur, brave, courageous means bold, intelligent and a great political expert. He was an excellent archer. Archer means bow and arrow, जो चलाते हैं ना उसको बोलते. He was also an expert in using the sword, तलवारबाजी करना, पट्टा and the spear. Spear means bhala. Okay, so he was very expert in all these things. He loved his subject. He had won many regions in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. These all regions were under the Jagir of Shahaji Raje. South India was in awe of him. Say student, AWE awe. Underline this word. Awe means Shahaji Raje was all every time he was dreaming to curb that South India. तो उनका वो ड्रीम था. Awe means dream, wondering. While Shivaji and Jijabai were at Bangalore, he had arranged for providing excellent education to Shivaji Maharaj. See student, Shivaji Maharaj and Jijabai were at Bangalore. When they were at Bangalore, Shahaji Maharaj provided the education to Shivaji Maharaj. Why? Because he wanted that if in future he became the king, he should enable him. He should get all the excellent education. He should know all the knowledge of the subjects. Okay. He himself aspired to establish Swaraj by ousting the powers of foreign people. Student, not only Shivaji Maharaj but Shahaji Maharaj was also dreaming to establish Swaraj by ousting. Ousting means pick out और बाहर निकालना. किसको? Foreign people को. We have learned in the chapter number 4 na. Foreign people are ruling over a Maharashtra. So Shahaji Maharaj wanted to kick out them from Maharashtra and establish the rule in Maharashtra. ओके सो ये शाहजी महाराज का ही नहीं, शिवाजी महाराज का भी क्या था? ड्रीम था. दैट इज़ वाई स्टूडेंट शाहजी महाराज वॉज known as Swaraj Visionary. See student, why he was known as Swaraj Visionary? Because he was always desiring or dreaming to establish Swaraj. Okay. He sent Shivaji and Jijabai from Bangalore to Pune with loyal and competent associate. When they were at Bangalore, student, what Shahaji Maharaj did? They sent both of them to Pune with their loyal means ईमानदार और capable पार्टनर्स के साथ में शाहजी महाराज ने शिवाजी महाराज और जीजाबाई को कहाँ पर भेज दिए? पुणे. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो हैव यू अंडरस्टूड अबाउट शाहजी महाराज? ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी अबाउट द वीर माता जीजाबाई. यस, हु इज शी स्टूडेंट? कैन एनीवन नो? ओके, लेट्स सी, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. वीर माता जीजाबाई was a mother of Shivaji Maharaj. Jijabai was the daughter of the great Sardar Lakuji Jadhav of Shinkhed Raja in Buldana district. She, who is the father of Jijabai student? He was also a great Sardar. Name of that person is Lakuji Raje Jadhav. At a young age, she had received military training as well as education in various subjects. See student, Veer Mata Jijabai also get an education and military training. She helped and encouraged Shahaji Maharaj to realize his dream of establishing Swaraj. She knew that it was a dream of Shahaji Maharaj to establish Swaraj. So, she always encouraged Shahaji Maharaj in his dream. She was a competent and visionary political expert. She constantly guided Shivaji Maharaj in the mission of establishing Swaraj. See student, not only Shahaji Maharaj but वीर माता जीजाबाई also guiding शिवाजी महाराज. वो उनको भी बता रही थी कि तुम्हारे फादर के बाद में it was your dream to establish Swaraj in Maharashtra. Understood? She took the task of giving verdicts for resolving the problems of people. See, Vimata Jijabai, she gave a task to Shivaji Maharaj how to solve the problem of the people. At a very young age, student, Veermata Jijabai gave training to Shivaji Maharaj also. How to face the people, how to face the enemy. Okay. She was very particular about giving excellent education to Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj student parents, they always wanted to give excellent education to Shivaji Maharaj because in future he became the king of Maharashtra. Na? That's why. She instilled in him values like means उन्होंने एजुकेशन के साथ साथ उनको अच्छी आदतें भी उनमें सिखाए थे उनको लाइक मॉडेस्टी ह्यूमैनिटी truthfulness means always be true oratory say student oratory means he should be able to speak in front of the public vigilance carefulness courage himmat and fearlessness. Veermata Jijabai instilled all these qualities in Shivaji Maharaj. She saw that he was trained in the uses of weapons and inspired in him the will to win and the dream of Swaraj. Veermata Jijabai always wanted to give him the training of weapons, how to use the weapons, and he wanted him to win the dream of स्वराज. जो उनका सपना था स्वराज को establish करना वो जीत सके. Understood? Okay. Now we are going to see about Shivaji Maharaj companions and associates. Means who were the partners, साथीदार कौन थे शिवाजी महाराज के. Okay. Now see student. Up till here we have seen that Shivaji Maharaj, father and mother, they are giving training to Shivaji Maharaj. Okay. Now Shivaji Maharaj is ready to establish the Swaraj, to his foundation of the Swaraj. Let's see. Shivaji Maharaj started the work of founding the Swaraj in the Mawal region. See student. Now Shivaji Maharaj started his work. उन्होंने अपना काम शुरू कर दिए. स्वराज को फाउंडेशन स्टार्ट करना, स्वराज का फाउंडेशन स्टार्ट करना. कहाँ से? इन द मावल रीजन. द मावल टेरेन is full of hills and valleys and it is not easily accessible. When Shivaji Maharaj started his work student in founding Swaraj in the Mawal region, that Mawal region was full of hills and valleys means पूरा पहाड़ी और झाड़ी एरिया था. अंदर वालों को बाहर का कुछ नहीं दिख सकता था और बाहर वाले अंदर का कुछ भी नहीं देख सकते थे. पूरी पहाड़ी एरिया थी. Shivaji Raje had made use of these geographical features of Mawal very skillfully for the purpose of foundation of Swaraj. But student, Shivaji Maharaj used this geographical feature. He chose this geographical feature of Mawal. ओके फाउंडेशन स्टार्ट करने के लिए शिवाजी महाराज ने मावल रीजन को ही उसका जोग्राफिकल फीचर देख के चूज़ किए थे. अंडरस्टूड? ही क्रिएटेड द फीलिंग ऑफ ट्रस्ट एंड अफेक्शन इन द माइंड ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ मावल रीजन. Student, Shivaji Maharaj has created trust and affection in the mind of the people of Mawal region. When he did that student in his campaign, means when he started founding the Swaraj in Mawal region, many of his associates and companion students joined Shivaji Maharaj in his work in founding the Swaraj. Now, Who were the associates and companions of शिवाजी महाराज स्टूडेंट? शिवाजी महाराज के ईमानदार लॉयल साथीदार कौन थे? Let's see the name of those persons. They are यशाजी कंक, बाजी पासलकर, बापूजी मुडगल, नारेकर देशपांडे ब्रदर्स, कावजी कोंडालकर, जीवा महाला, तानाजी मालुसरे, कान्होजी चेडे, बाजी प्रभु देशपांडे and Dadaji Naras Prabhu Deshpande. So these all are the companions and associates of Shivaji Maharaj. Student, learn this name. Okay, it is very important. On the strength of this associate, say student, this associate companions, they are the strength of Shivaji Maharaj. ये क्या थे? शिवाजी महाराज की ताकत थे. And because of all these associates and companions, शिवाजी महाराज undertook the cause of स्वराज. शिवाजी महाराज ने हिम्मत करके स्वराज स्टैब्लिश करने का स्टार्ट किए थे. ओके, फाइन. नाउ लेट्स सी the very important, that is royal seal Raj Mudra. Look at that royal seal, picture of royal seal, student. Can you see something has been inscribed on that royal seal in Sanskrit language? I will explain you that. Let's see now. The objective of Shivaji Maharaj of establishing Swaraj is clearly expressed in this royal seal. You can see something has been written in Sanskrit. So whatever has been written, this was the objective of Shivaji Maharaj. ओके, वो उनका ऑब्जेक्टिव था. स्वराज स्टैब्लिश करने के पीछे उनका क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव था, वो जो रॉयल सील में लिखा हुआ है. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन. आई विल रीड फर्स्ट द संस्कृत लाइन फॉर यू ऑल. प्रतिपचंद्रलेखे वदीविद्रवंदिता शहासुनो शिवश्रेषा मुद्रा भद्राय राजते. Now see, what is the meaning of this Sanskrit line? This seal will grow in a splendor like a moon. ये जो seal है, it will always grow. न्यू मून की तरह हमेशा brightness, हमेशा क्या, रोशनी लाएगा. The seal of Shivaji. This is a seal of Shivaji, who is the son of Shahaji. Receiving homage from the whole world denotes the welfare of the people. Means शिवाजी महाराज is paying tribute to his father. वो अपने फादर को क्या कर रहे हैं? थ्रू दिस सील ट्रिब्यूट, होमेज दे रहे हैं, डिनोट कर रहे हैं. एंड ही promised his father that Shivaji Maharaj, he always promised his father or mother that he will always work for the welfare of the people. उनके पेरेंट्स ने उनको हमेशा एक बात बताई हुई थी कि ऑलवेज वर्क फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द पीपल. नाउ लेट्स सी द मीनिंग विच वॉज रिटर्न इन दिस सील. ओके, लेट्स सी द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट Sanskrit words. This seal is very important from any angles. If you see this seal from many angles, whatever written in this seal, it is very important. Okay, though this inscription, student, Shivaji Maharaj has expressed his gratitudes, means he was thankful to his father. Okay, he was paying his gratitude towards his father. He was trying to say that I was very thankful for my father. He wanted to show his confidence that his father has created in him, instilled in him for the Swaraj, and he knew that the Swaraj will expand continuously. वो उनके फादर को बताना चाहते थे कि स्वराज का जो ड्रीम था, इट विल बिकम पॉसिबल, एंड स्वराज जो है हमेशा क्या करेगा, प्रोग्रेस करेगा. His own experience of the respect that the seal, and Shivaji Maharaj also respect that seal. Swaraj commanded from all. his commitment to the welfare of his subject. He has given commitment to his father na, that he will always work for the welfare of the people. And the certainty means surety, यकीन था उनको, of ruling power his land independently. क्या उनको यकीन था, क्या श्योरिटी थी, that स्वराज will be working, ruling in महाराष्ट्र in his own land, है ना, क्योंकि वो उनका ड्रीम था कि महाराष्ट्र में क्या हो, उनका ओन रूल हो. स्वराज will be ruling on his own land independently. No other will be ruling on our land. This short inscription covers the entire concept of Swaraj. So from these two lines which was inscribed in the royal seal cover the entire concept of Swaraj. Okay student, so here we have completed first part of our chapter. Understood? Next part we are going to continue in our next lecture. Till then, take care and thank you.